Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this bronze makeup tutorial for you guys. So I was super excited. I just got my Soft Glam palette in the mail, and I just got my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter in the mail just a couple days ago. So I hope you guys are excited as I am, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I will really appreciate that, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So if you want to learn how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I apologize for the extreme cleavage. So to prime the face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. It has like that peachy tone to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over the face. I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna double prime today. I'm gonna be using my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline, because I noticed I do have a lot of like larger pores in this area here in my forehead, and as well as around the nose. I'm gonna put it also right here. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation. If you haven't seen my review / wear test on this, then definitely check it out. I will link it somewhere here or in the description box below. So I'm going to be mixing light tan and medium beige, and I'm going to be taking my LA Girl 108 brush to blend this all out. Alright, then for concealer, I'm going to be mixing the Tarte Shape Tape and Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. And I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of the Tarte Shape Tape, just because there's already a lot of concealer there. And I'm going to take my LA Girl sponge and just blend it all out. To set that, I'm going to be using my Mercier powder. To set the rest of the face, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Phase powder in Buff. Alright, so for the bronzer, I'm going to be using the Catrice Cosmetics Sun Bronzer for the darker skin tone. For blush, I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty Flower Pots Powder Blush and Peach Primrose. Actually, just going to go ahead and clean up my bronzer area with my Mercier powder. So today we're going to be playing around with the Soft Glam Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so stoked about this, and I literally just got it and I couldn't wait to film for you guys. First color we're going to be using is Orange Soda right over here. Take it on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to put that all over the crease. And this is going to be our transition shade. So we're just going to blend it all the way up. Almost all the way to our eyebrows, but not really. And just in case you guys are wondering, there's not much kickback from the orange soda color so far. And the pigment is pretty bomb. So we're gonna build up the color slowly because I want to use as many colors as I can. So next we're going to take Burnt Orange. And I believe this color was also in the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm also going to pop this into the crease, but not any higher than Orange Soda. Make sure you're blending everything nicely. So I'm just going to stick to the same brush. This is another Makeup Shack brush. I'm going to take the color Sienna right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that also into the crease, but slightly lower than burnt orange. Trying to make this as dimensional as possible. Going to go in with mulberry, so it's basically another, it's like a richer brown with a richer red undertone, and stick it right on the outer corner of the eye and kind of blending it in lightly. And I'm going to be taking the color Bronze right over here. It's like a nice metallic, I hope the camera is focusing, but it's like a nice metallic bronze color. And I'm gonna be spraying my hangover primer, my hangover spray. Ooh, yes. Just gonna pop that onto the lid. A little bit more of that mulberry color. I'm just gonna darken up the outer corner and just blending the two together. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible long wear pencil in black, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do a smoked out liner here. So go ahead and apply this right here along my lash line. Taking an angled brush with the color Noir right here, the black. I'm gonna smoke it out. It doesn't look like a smoky liner, but whatever. I'm gonna dust off my Beige right here while waiting for my glue to get tacky. Alright, for lashes, I'm going to be using Karma lashes from my lash box. Only $12.50, you guys. Be sure to check out my lash website. Oh, and then I'm going to go in with the color Tempera right here. Just a little bit because I know this color is pigmented. And I'm going to go underneath my brow bone. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with Sienna right here. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take Glistening. So moving on to the highlight, which is the fun part, I am going to be using the Amrezy highlighter. Whew. Do you guys see how beautiful this freaking highlight is? You guys, there's no fallout. Nothing. This is me applying it dry, by the way. My face is dry. My brush is dry. Everything's dry. Do you see that freaking glow? Or are you already blind? This thing is so blinding. I feel so bad for you guys watching right now. I hope you guys have some sunglasses or something. Oh my god. I'm gonna spray my hangover primer. I keep saying hangover primer, but I meant hangover spray. I'm going to be using my LA Girl and Ultimate Intense Auto Lip Liner in Keep It Spicy. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Cowboy liquid lipstick from Loreal. This is pretty brown. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Dose of Colors Let's Cuddle, just to lighten it up. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys do too. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for all of your love and your support. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.